Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Now this is interesting. The release was on the front and the pin is at the back, pushing on the back of this, not the center. And it must be a known fault from the factory, because in the book it says check. The release It says note that the push rod ratchet should be facing towards the crankcase so that the plunger tip sits centrally on the underside of the pad. If on your bike the ratchet is facing out, remove the tensioner body now and refit it the correct way round after installing the clutch starter primary drive assembly. If the tensioner is fitted incorrectly, it's possible for the primary drive chain to break due to the offset pressure of the plunger on the pad. Very interesting. So this is 5mm Allen key. And that is the release, and as you can see that sits at the back, so that should be turned 180 degrees. You're meant to use a hook tool to get in the back. That brings that forward more central. Wonder if there was a recall. I do have a torque wrench. Okay, what's next?